badness a chop. New recruiter try if he broke him duck. Can't get squawk so him gets the shot and bust him wing by bad cut out him gun. Me tired and me fed up by it. Too much violence in the place.
Welcome to Lionfoot TV at the right place, and let's don't go nowhere.
Please like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell.
Bless love and greetings, my viewers and subscribers, kings and queens. Lion and Lion, speak up on yourself. Welcome to Lionfoot TV, another man of peace. I give thanks to life, thanks to give thanks to another day. Life for the greatest gift, church of a moment. Share the food, share the joy, share the moment. And so, I say, yes, man, big up everybody for checking to Lionfoot TV. No matter where you are, silent, active, big up on yourself. See? Yes, man. So, I don't know. In this episode, I'm going to just retrack and reiterate, relate to the interview. Big up Jaii Frais. Jaii Frais delivered a masterpiece, and we see other journalists do it all the time, but this time it's good to see a Jamaican doing it in Jamaica by interviewing one of the dance them. You see what I say? Yeah, man, and big up the dance, big up the Shotta there, We love when keep the thing real. Me are the man of peace. And me always just love and unity right across the board, you see me? See, like the fire brigade in the background there, on the work me there, But yeah, man, big up the Shotta them in the garrison of Jamaica. Big up on yourself and stay away from crime and violence. If you can, if you get in too deep, it's hard to come out. If you just live it out till, jailhouse or deadhouse or you got a foreigner. No live it out, you see me I say? Yeah, man, but war with who know war with, don't turn the gun upon the innocence. You see me I say? Yeah, man, so I can relate to that. But before that, my viewers and subscribers, I beg you to please check out my single Non-Stop Try. Yeah, the people must say, everybody has something to run with that one now, so I run with it again. You see me I say? So I beg you to support. You see? Yeah, man. Alright, yeah, man, it's available on all digital platforms. You see me I say? Yeah, so Jaii Frais did an interview and it went viral, gathered a lot of traction, a lot of views, and I love how they done, how the Shotta they talk. You see me? Man have a crisp rifle in there, man. You see me I say? Mask up, nobody knows who or whereabouts, so we don't want to know that. We just want to know, say, him keep the thing real and talk it as how it is. Because we are garrison youth, we born at the garrison and see it. Everything we talk and describe are where we grow and see at the garrison. Me born one of the toughest, ruralest garrison. Zine, enough of my friend them divert in a badness and drop out and enough, we play football with someone who pass down them who pass off. Play football with them and them things there. And we never pick up badness, well, you know what I mean? You see me, so the way the brother talk, him talk a lot of things where real. I love him keep it real. Even though we not support crime and violence, but as what him say, man have to live. You know what I mean? To defend themselves and them family and them friend them and them thing then. Them get caught up. Him get caught up from the age of 16. Got kicked from school, drop out of school, dwell into badness, being around the man them, the elder them, got recruited. My life was opposite. Never grow with a father. As I look at juvenile, we used to run a lot of big men, elders, but them elders they were in a music, tough gang. You see a man have a son, right on my building, Mr. Bowman, rest in peace, have him son, See a lot of artists come and sing, Ricky Chaplin, Charlie Chaplin, and, you know what I mean, except Frankie Paul, them, Sheriff, you see me? So, me used to run them elders, the fisherman, down a farm, Greenwich Farm was a fisherman, because I know my father was a fisherman. See? Yeah, so we know the badness, and the brother you talk and express it real. I love him keep it real, but one point where me I try, when I go reiterate pan more is when he was asked, like when them go up on the works, if them just shoot anybody, take out anybody with them say. And him agree and him say, yeah, there's a point where him tell him, anybody him friend them and say, anybody in a jeans pants I get it, And we hear them tell if we are you too. When you know say, and I just can't catch quacker, catch a shot. Catch anybody, or when nobody not relate to the person where them are worried, them I get it same way. We live and see them things in the garrison. You see me? I will not support them things there. Still, it's just like we go on a Tradika Park and even already the mass shooting we go on with there. You see me? Yeah, so I saw some Shotta pre, the mindset I saw them pre, you see me? Which is not right still, but again you can't tell a man to live them life. You see me? The next thing he was asked if he go up on the ends and see all. Well, the same question still. And the man say, yo, any man get dirty, you know, and in the business, you know, no remorse, him no sorry, because if you're not fire shot, we are up on the spot. So if you take what you get. And I true, me agree with that. Zine, if you're not fire shot, we are up on corner with man. Me John Star. Rest in peace, Radam. You know, Radam lose him life. An ex-artist. Lose him life. And then they don't know what thing. I mean, I swear for him still, but I know so I got a tree back and out to the man that me a fire shot. You see me? But a real thing, if you're not a fire gun, we are do run the man them we a fire gun up on the corner where they shot at them at ends off. I see same thing the police are come tell you. If the police come on the corner and see you, he's an innocent youth and you're there. We are do there. Police are going to burn you as gunman too. So where the shot they say, in the business, because if you're not a fire shot, we are do on the spot. Zine? And so I hope this be an eye opener to the youths them. And the girls them too. If you're not a fire shot, one not do each up on gunman if you're not people with fire shot. Or else you're going to get what they don't get. You see me? Yeah man, the next thing talk about you know, about the dance ship and how the dance run and the man can't this no man and no robbery enough for go on the scheme, and if the gun go up and works, the done have to know communication, which is right, you see me, because no communication and the gun go do damage and everything there, and the done don't know what go on, can lead into war and then unnecessary war and vibes. So the whole gang network is a unit, you know what I mean? Even though we don't support violence still, but I certain things that we can't stop it, we can't stop violence. That's why you hear the general say, you know, you can't stop violence because when one gone, another one born. You see me? Boy, I tell you, the man describe something the star when you go up on all works. And first I go up on the works and see all the jelly scrums out, you know. Boy, I tell you, the gang thing, you know. The nice badness not pay. Oh, me hear him describe film life and them thing and the badness thing. In the nice man. You see me I say, but the main point of the interview was just them two top point that me didn't want to push out, you know. You see me? About being around the wrong company. If you're not a fire shot, then you stop each up on corner with man and them things, because you're going to lose your life, you know. You know. And him say, him mother knows him do things, man, him not badness, but him not push it in our face and them things. You see my viewers and subscribers. But I just want to big up Jaii Frais still for that interview, yeah. You know what I mean? Different, you know, and a good look at eye opener for the youth and faces of badness not pay, you know what I mean? And the next, one more thing when him say, if him back up on police, him have to beat it and knock it for him. Yeah, him not pre for kill police, no, but if I saw myself a shootout, if them get where if police get caught up or so, or if them get caught up and lose them life or so. You see me? And a real life settings, yeah. And the next thing again when him say, yo, Zozo can't stop nothing. Because me that Jamaica I see Zozo right up the road there, so a man still like that, right side of Zozo. I say, John, no, the man them brave. But my viewers and subscribers, badness not pay. Badness not pay. You know what I mean? The man of peace. You see me? I say, I read a song them crying for peace, tired and fed up by it and all of them things. You see me? Yeah, man, big up on yourself, man. I hope I love and blessings, man. But big up Jaii Frais and big up the Shotta still for keeping it real, you know? Yeah, man, and the next thing to where the parents should take note, especially the fathers, them. Sure, say, boy, Pitney need them father in them life, and girl Pitney too. You see me? Because he was asked if he has any children, and he said no. And him said if he have any kids, him don't want for him boy Pitney to come follow the footsteps like him, because it's not a nice role. The badness game is not a nice game. Yes, you know, if him Pitney them to follow him footsteps and come down the badness role, you know. That's why it's good for the parents them and the father them to tell them child, say, yo, stay away from badness. Be careful of the company that you're keeping, because you can easily get groomed and recruited, you know what I mean? But I don't know certain thing, badness in name. A badness in name, you see me? A badness in name. And this is an eye opener, as I say. You know, big up Jaii Frais for bringing this to the forefront, and big up the general too. A badness in name. And nothing now hide. They say me as a Jamaica around corruption, you know what I mean? And everything, and even the contract killing too, you know? Boy, may I tell you, you see it? May I tell you story. And me also like when them say about the contract killing too, you know, the man can't come with him with 200,000, you know, it have to be a million, you know? Yeah, man. Again, we don't support crime and violence, but whole heap of contract killing go on and man all take life for less than 200,000, 100,000, lesser than that. You see what I say? You see, even though them things are right still, but you can't tell them what to do. Viewers and subscribers, become on yourself. Whole heap of love and blessings. If you want to check out the interview, go over Jaii Frais, Let's Be Honest podcast. The Shotta was being honest. You see what I say? A lion foot the man of peace. Blessed love, I'm out.